Nikola, Nato, Natalie, actually, and Sonia, are you ready? So we can see some examples here. And we are going to try some of them. So here is mine, paintbrush, all right. Let's see what's next. Colored markers.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. Let's see. And let's go. Da vidimo. Jeste li spremni da probamo prvi korak? Da vidimo ovako. Natalie, what is your favorite animal? What animals do you like?
Red panda and fox.
Fox. You like foxes? Yeah, and you have a cat, right?
Yeah.
All right. Gile. Oh,
Yeah,
of course.
but it's not my favorite animal.
Oh, it's not your favorite. All right. Nikola, what is your favorite animal? Koja ti je omiljena životinja?
Ja nemam omiljenu životinju.
Kako nemaš? Nekog ne.